Green in fourth. Green, you need an 817 to go to second.
Third place, red. 2.67. Red, you need 8.67 to take first place.
I was screaming up to my dad was screaming back at me because Tolland's like on a cliff and I just wasn't getting the waves. I think I only got like 2 waves in that heat. Just did not go my way at all, so it was really disappointing.
See, you never know what you're going to get. Like, you practice on certain waves and then you can go out and the waves will be completely different, so you don't know what to expect, basically. My home spot, so just try my best. Yeah, try just to get the bigger ones, like the bigger waves, the set waves.
I realised that a lot of the best waves were on the inside, so I just started getting busy and catching a lot of waves. It was hard work, though. I had to keep taking the rip to get back out.
That rip Tom is talking about is like this current that pulls you out to sea. It can be useful to help get you out, but it can also be dangerous if you're not careful.
The wave will definitely help you out. Like, if it's a good quality wave, it will for sure score a bit higher just because it's a bigger wave or better quality wave.
Each surfer gets a turn of priority, basically the right to the next wave.
You want to wait with your priority for a good one, but sometimes you don't want to wait too much because your heat will be gone.
If you move your foot an inch off, you can fall off a wave and just go rolling down like.
If you get a good wave at the start of the heat, you're kind of like, oh, I'm all right. But if you don't get a wave at the start, you're just getting stressed out. So you just like try to go for everything to try and get one, and you just don't get it.
You have a sense of how it's going, but in the semi, I really didn't think I was doing great. But turns out everyone's in the same boat, and no one really got much waves.
We switch on like our angry mode for the heat and like hate each other for about 20 minutes, and then we just like talk again like friends like immediately afterwards.
Stay in the zone where the waves are shaping up, shaping up, and eventually what will break. Stay in that zone, yes.
First place, Isabella O'Reilly.
Maybe just hate strategies. Yeah, getting told by my friends where to go and stuff. I got one good one. I got a 6.33 and a 2 point something. Really happy.
Isabella and Dylan. First competition, first wins. The new generation are announcing themselves.
Catch a few waves to begin the heat and then just look for the seconds to catch them. I think my last wave was probably my best.